Hey guys, so I made a video maybe I don't know how many weeks ago it was, but I talked about Remedia Publications, I think, remediapublishing.com, and they had some really good curriculum for kids with learning challenges. So I ordered one of them. I ordered the Pre-Algebra Pacemaker. So that's what this looks like, and I got it on Amazon for like $2, I think, for shipping and handling. And I wanted to just give you my first impressions of it. So the object or the point of the Pacemaker series is to cater to high interest learners who maybe have trouble reading, or maybe they have attention problems, or things like that. They maybe have problems with more complicated language. So what they do with this is um, they have simple changes to the book that make it easier for kids with those types of issues. So if you can see, the font is a little bigger, and that's supposed to help kids with attention problems. The pages are not cluttered with lots of illustrations. It's just simply laid out um, with simple instructions on what to do. Um, the let's see, the illustrations and the pictures that are there, um, are not juvenile. So this, if you have a teenager that needs to use a book like this, they're not going to feel like they're using a baby book or anything. This is, it is pre-algebra, but it is, the reading level is also scaled down. So this, I want to say maybe like fourth grade. I think it's like from third to sixth grade, like reading level, something like that, so that it's easier for kids to understand, which is really good when it comes to word problems, like we got there. And so just everything is kind of catered to kids with those types of issues. And I think this is really going to be a huge help um, with us. This is also put out by, I'm looking at the back here, Piercing Learning Group. So you can also go to that website to look for some other pacemaker materials. They have lots of other, things within this realm, pre-algebra, and I think they also have, and they have algebra 1 as well, and maybe algebra 2. I don't remember if they have algebra 2. I know they have geometry. So you can go and definitely check these out if you have kids that you think maybe will benefit from that. What else? They have other subjects as well. So again, that is Pearson Learning Group, and also Remedia Publications. The other thing I want to highlight today is something I picked up at Books a Million the other week, and this is a math fact book, and I really picked this up for me just because this is math facts grades 4 to 8, and this basically just tells you how to do everything, like all the new concepts. It's just a basic, this is how you do, for every new skill that's going to be added from grade 4 to 8, which is exactly where we are with my brother. And I certainly need this because, I have not been in 8th grade for a very long time. I have not been in 4th grade for an even longer amount of time. And I definitely need it. But I ended up using it like the very next school day after I bought it. Um, so it really came in handy. Again, very simple, really easy to understand, not just for me, but for, you know, kids as well. I ended up printing out, making a copy of one of these charts for my brother to use with his homework. It really, really helped him. So I think between learning about pacemakers and Remedia publications and the stuff that I have so far, I think we're going to be set for math up through high school. I don't, unless something drastically changes, I think I'm pretty much sure of the direction I want to go and the things that I'm going to be using um, for math in that way. I've kind of come to the conclusion, again, unless something really jumped out at me that I need to change. I don't think I'm going to be using a 5th grade math curriculum at all. I think I'm just going to be using, because a lot of 5th grade is a repeat of 4th grade, it seems. And I think I'm just going to be doing a lot of review and just slowly building upon what we have, but I don't think I really need a whole other curriculum to do that. We have a really great 6th grade curriculum. I think I showed you guys that already. That is put together sort of similar to the pacemaker. So I think we're set. I think we're set as far as math goes, and I feel really good about that. The more like whenever I feel like I'm really good, I know where I'm headed with something, like I feel like I can breathe a little bit. And so I think I've gotten that way. For history, I think we're pretty much set. We're going to be doing the Mystery of History series. I think for the most part we're set with science. And I think if I've had to change my plans for like language arts and reading a little bit, but I think we're going to be going in the direction of using a lot of DJU stuff. So I think for the most part, I feel really good about it. I think those are the only places that may be subject to change. I did find a really great Spanish curriculum, so I might be, as you guys know, we've been doing like a phrase a week of Spanish things. We're not really into learning Spanish yet. I'm going to wait until we're done with either spelling or reading until to get into Spanish. But I found a really great online program that I think really will, the way it's set up and the way they teach it. There's a lot of people that are like complaining about they don't think it's fast enough, but I think for my students it's perfect. And I think I might make that another video. I think I'll do that later on today, or maybe right after this. I don't know. But yeah, so that's where I am with math right now. And again, the book that I had here is the Math Fact book. I don't know why I can't say that. Notebook reference, and it is American Education Publishing. I'm sure you can find that on Amazon, but this is like a lifesaver for me. And again, like I said, I've already used it like the first school day after I bought it. So that is the update on math for right now. I feel really good and confident. Hopefully nothing changes, but I think we're good as far as math goes right now. So I will see you guys later. Bye.